Alright guys, so I am back with the Hoover High Performance here that I got about a month ago. I did get it on August 11th or so. Yeah, I think that's when I got it, or maybe August 10th, who knows. But anyways, so I got the new handle for it from eBay. It arrived today. So overall it's doing pretty good. I'll show you the demonstration. It's going to be loud, so please turn down your volume. That's what it sounds like right now. Alright, but anyways, let's dump all that. I used it just a little around here, just in my bedroom, and that's how much it picked up. Here, make sure. Yeah, there we go. It's got to be on the bottom part right there. So, anyways, this is how much it picked up. Oh yeah. Oh, the carpet is already kind of getting dirty. Yeah, so. Alright, so now it's time to do the demonstration. Wait, no, this iPad stand is not adjusted right. Alright, so here we go. Carpet, you know? Suction towel is suction's pretty powerful. Does anything work? Yeah, it works good. Alright. Pretty much does it all. I'm gonna test it around the house later. Although I did already vacuum my parents' bedroom, the living room rug, and my dad's office with the DC-25, the Dyson DC-25 I have here, my favorite Dyson. So, and that's how much it got from all three areas that I vacuumed. That's a lot. Alright, so but anyways, it does a pretty good job. Comment, subscribe for more.